In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display volume with moving average in TradingView. By the end, you'll have a clean volume panel with a smooth moving average line that helps you quickly spot when trading activity is picking up or cooling off. First, open your browser and head to tradingview.com. You can follow along whether you're logged in or not, but having your own watch list handy makes this faster. On the right side of the screen, look to your watch list and choose the symbol you want to analyze. If you don't see your symbol right away, use the search at the top of the watch list to find the ticker, then click it to load the chart. Now expand your workspace by selecting Full Chart. This gives you the complete charting interface, which makes it easier to add and manage indicators without anything feeling cramped. At the top of the chart, click Indicators. This opens the indicator library where you can add built-in tools to your chart. In the search bar that appears, type Volume. You'll see a built-in indicator simply called volume. That's the one we want. Click volume to add it to your chart. You'll see the volume bars appear in a panel below your price chart. These bars show how many shares or contracts traded during each candle. Green bars typically indicate higher volume on up moves and red bars on down moves, depending on your chart's color scheme. Next, we'll add the moving average line to that volume. On the volume panel, hover over the word volume to reveal the toolbar. Then click the settings icon. This opens the settings for the indicator. Find the field labeled moving average length. This number controls how many periods are used to calculate the average of the volume bars. A shorter length like 10 or 20 will make the line more responsive and highlight recent surges. A longer length like 50 or 100 smooths things out and helps you focus on bigger trends in activity. Choose a value that matches your time frame. For example, a 20-period average is a popular starting point for daily charts, while intraday traders might prefer a shorter length. Once you're happy with the length, click OK. Your chart now shows a smooth line running across the volume bars, representing the average volume over the period you set. When the bars rise above that line, it often signals unusually strong participation. When they sit below it, activity is relatively quiet. That's it. You navigated to TradingView, opened a full chart, added the volume indicator, and adjusted its moving average. If this setup helps your analysis, consider keeping the same settings across symbols for consistency. Thanks for watching and happy charting.